In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw Santa's Christmas tree. Look, it's got his hat on the top. Well, you might like to help yourself to start off with by drawing very gently. Don't press too hard. If you draw kind of a triangle and then a little box, which is going to be the bucket, or whatever this Christmas tree is standing in. And then we can start up about here. And we're going to draw the fluffy bit for the hat. That's Santa's hat. And then we'll put another bit down here. So it's sort of like drawing clouds. And then you can draw another one in the middle. And then over here we're going to put the little bobble on the top of Santa's hat. So now what we can do is we can draw a curve coming around like that. And then here we'll sort of draw a little wrinkle like that because it's sort of bent over a bit. And then we can draw in the Christmas tree bit. Then we can have the trunk of the tree. You can maybe put some shadow in like that. And then we're going to want to have this sort of flower pot or whatever it is that it's going to be sitting in. And again, you can maybe have a little bit of kind of shadow there too. And all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching, and click down there to make sure you are subscribed to draw stuff real easy. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.